Ẹ káàárọ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, season wà ló ń kí yín. Mo kàn fẹ́ sáré báyìí sọ̀rọ̀ ni. Mi mọ̀ tẹ́ bá ti gbọ́ ń pa ìròyìn tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàárọ̀ yìí. Ara tá à ń sọ ń sìn, wọn ò kà wá kún gẹ́gẹ́ bí èèyàn ní lójú àwọn yẹn, lójú àwọn Fúlàní, wọn ò kà wá kún bí èèyàn. Ẹ máa wo tán ṣe ń sìn. Wọ́n gbé kan rí Nnamdi Kanu. Ó yẹ kó wà nínú ilé adájọ́ pẹ̀lú àwọn agbẹjọ́rò ẹ̀ ní àárọ̀ yìí. Àwọn èèyàn ti dé látàárọ̀ láti wá síbẹ̀, wọn ò jẹ́ kán wọlé o. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi àwọn èrò kí n fi hàn yín. Àwọn èèyàn ti wọlé, màá fi nǹkan tí agbẹjọ́rò ẹ̀ tó sọ màá fi hàn yín. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, ẹ máa wòran o.
In states, we are also not allowed to go inside the premises.
Wọn ò jẹ́ kán wọlé. Ṣé ń gbọ́ o? Ṣé pé wọn ò jẹ́ kán wọlé? Adẹ̀sọ́pẹ́ fẹ́ wá ẹ̀sọ́ pé àwọn tẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ sọ fún wa pé ká wà pẹ̀lú àwọn arábì nínú ìlú kan náà. Ṣé ń gbọ́ o? Wọn ò jẹ́ kán wọlé o. Adẹ̀wà ní ìlú kan náà. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ rí pé ẹrú lọ sọ wádìí nílẹ̀ wa báyìí? Ǹjẹ́ ẹ rí pé ẹrú lọ sọ wádìí? Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ ń pariwo pé ká wà nínú wọn Nàìjíríà, ẹ wá wò ó. Wọn Nàìjíríà yín, wọ́n ń rú òfin nínú section 36. Wọ́n kọ síbẹ̀ pé ìjọba láti fún ẹni tí wọ́n bá mú sí ẹni tó bá sọ pé wọ́n bá fi ẹ̀sùn hàn láti fún ní ẹ̀tọ́ láti bá pé kí agbẹjọ́rò rẹ̀ kó wá sí ilé adájọ́ kó wá ṣàlàyé bóun ṣe rí ọ̀rọ̀. Wọn ò jẹ́ kán wọlé o. Wọn ò jẹ́ wọlé iṣẹ́ ìrìn ẹ jẹ́ gbọ́. Mi ò ní dúró pẹ́ lórí ètò yìí. Mo kàn fẹ́ ká gbogbo wa mọ̀ ni pé Oko Eru Lawa. Tá bá ń sọ pé Oko Eru Lawa, àpẹẹrẹ ẹ̀ nìyí. Tá bá ń sọ tí eléyìí ò bá bí yín nú, ẹ má jẹ́ sọ tí mi tí máa fẹ́ sọ tí mo fẹ́ sọ lálẹ́ yìí tí mo fẹ́ sọ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe báyìí, ọmọ àlè ló máa gbarú irú ìwọ̀sí báyìí, ọmọ àlè ló máa gbà á. Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé gbogbo wa àkíṣe ọmọ àlè. Ara ta ṣe láti gba òmìnira rẹ̀ o.
So the Igbo delegation is here to witness the trial of our son, Nnamdi Kanu. That's why we are here. We were here last time.
Ṣé ìràn wọ́n ti wá, wọn ò jẹ́ kó wọlé, wọ́n jẹ́ kó dúró pẹ̀lú àwọn gbogbo àwọn tó lórí. Ìkọ́nù wọn ó ti ṣe gómìnà rí o. Wọn ò jọ wọlé. Wákàtí 2 àbọ̀ lọ́sàn-án nígbà tó wá ní ìjọsí ní ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì kan sẹ́yìn. Èní wọn ò tẹ̀ jẹ́ kó wọlé rárá.
That's why we want to thank you very sincerely.
Your hand in the church.
Ní gbogbo ẹ̀ ní mo kàn fẹ́ fi hàn yín náà ni kí ẹ lè mọ nǹkan tó ń lọ. Ṣẹ́rí máa yé máa tó wà nígbà yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n wọlé. Ṣẹ́rí máa tí fìlẹ̀ wà nígbà yìí. Ṣẹ́rí máa yẹn gómìnà ni gómìnà. Ẹ wo council. Ṣẹ́rí náà.
And let's hope that today this delegation
wọn ò jẹ́ wọlé o. Wọn ò jẹ́ wọlé o.
trial. Our elected representative, please, on behalf of Oko Eru, I'm the chairman of Oko Eru Lawa. Last I joined there to make it very clear that our elected senior will represent. So I was the one that personally made the passionate appeal. Although my Lord gave us 6 lots of lawyers that will represent them, we try to hear them because we are not representing 9,000 years. I say we are lawyers, we are able lawyers, we have interest in the market. Likewise, what Ahmed will do. So they should be giving the go team 5. At least Ahmed will be getting like 3 or 4. Oko Eru will be getting like 3 or 4. So that everybody, because we have written that we want to know what is going on. What everybody is doing, all these people, what their interest is to make sure that they
ìyẹn lẹ́nu mọ̀ pé ẹrú náà kà wá kún lẹ̀ wá o nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà ẹ jẹ́ ká máa lọ o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa lọ. Gbogbo yẹn ti ń gbọ́n tó sọ wọn jẹ́ wọ́n ní agbẹjọ́rò wọ́n fẹ́ fún àwọn agbẹjọ́rò kan pọ̀ dáadáa kan wá síbẹ̀ yẹn ìjọba ọ̀jọ́ kan wọlé.
This case will not see the light of day. We are here to make sure that this case gets the money to conclusion. Thank you.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n dúró báyìí mo kàn máa mú kí n padà sí ilé kí eléyìí tí council gangan special council alọ́ọ̀ ejimẹ́fọ́ sí Kanu ẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tó máa sọ ní báyìí wọ́n àjọ kéèsì yẹn títí ó di January 19 and 20th kan tó wá sí kan tó padà sí ilé adájọ́ àwọn ìjọba náà wọ́n ti gbé ẹsẹ̀ lé ọrùn adájọ́ yẹn pé kó má jẹ́ nǹkan kan rí Nnamdi Kanu lẹ́nìí ara tá à ń sọ pé a fẹ́ gbọ́ òmìnira rẹ o.
The special lawyer to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey here and he go like tell us wetin happen inside court. Oga, how e go today?
We didn't go well. We were locked outside and we tried to get inside, but we found that the courtroom was locked from inside. And the judge simply didn't allow us to come inside because she had problem with the number of lawyers on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's side, and I don't think that should have been a problem. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has a right to counsel. The Constitution didn't say he has a right to only one counsel. It's a very complicated case, and he needs to have access to as many counsels as he can afford, and as the courtroom perimeters can afford. And the courtroom itself had a lot of empty seats that could have taken all of us. But what happened in the final analysis is that the court locked us out. And while we were locked out, the court commenced proceedings without our presence in court and adjourned the matter to 19th and 20th January next year, which we find to be a travesty of justice and a flagrant a violation of Section 36 of Nigerian Constitution, which contains a fair hearing safeguards for defendants.
Sir, what will be your next move now?
Well, we are going back to the drawing board. We are not going to take this line low. We are going to consider a number of countervailing legal judicial measures.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much.
Okay, now special counsel to
Aloy Ejimako is my name. Special counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I salute you now. Una well done, but I know happy.
No vex. Okay, and I don't hear as a special counsel to Nnamdi Kanu Tokam, Barrister Aloy Ejimako.
Ẹ máa wòran o. Ṣé rí ẹni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, ọlọ́pàá àwọn àmì máa dá dúró níparí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Kẹ́ máa wò pé Oko Eru gan Lawa. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé wá mo kàn fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ náà ni. Àwọn rẹ̀ o.
Into say then lock them out, come adjourn the case when then they outside of the court. So now the summary of waiting talk be this, say then go back to the drawing board, go re-strategize to come back January 19 and January 19 and 20th 2022 for will be the next adjourn date for the hearing. So country people, now so it be for the Federal High Court that don't adjourn the case to January 19 and 20 of 2022. So now the lawyer will just talk to us now in special counsel will be Aloy Ejimako. So country people, now so it be they don't adjourn the case already. So now till 2022, now we go come back for this place to come tell on as the matter, the waka, they go. So everybody done they come out and I hear them from the lawyer mouth, maybe Barrister Aloy Ejimako, as in talk say the way the hearing go today, he no sweet in belly at all. He no happy at all. So in say the judge been the para for the number of lawyers where they Nnamdi Kanu legal team, and if you say that one not supposed to matter where she go for ground. So as in the para they go, so then they go arrange yourself again to come back January 19 and 20 2022 will be the next adjourn dates.
They didn't even say inside the answer that we just call them in and hear them out. Hold on.
What's up? I don't interview the lawyer. See now.
No. Ṣé rí pé wọ́n dá dúró. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n dá padà síbẹ̀. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ fúnra yín. Oko Eru gan Lawa. Ẹ wò náà.
What's up? I don't interview the lawyer. See now.
No. Ṣé rí pé wọ́n dá dúró. Kẹ́ máa wo ìrẹ́jẹ. wọ́n dá dúró kí ẹ máa rí ṣe wọ́n dá dúró ẹ wo mi ní sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ jù lórí kìíní má padà wá bọ́ mo kàn fẹ́ fi tó wa létí ni Oko Eru ní gbogbo wa wà gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ sọ fún wa pé ká nígbàgbọ́ ní wọn Nàìjíríà ẹ wá ṣàlàyé eléyìí o wọ́n ń rú òfin ìjọba ń rú òfin ta ló máa mú ìjọba amúnisìn kò sí ara ta ṣe fẹ́ lọ rè o ẹ̀mí ní sọjú báyìí lọ ní rí ju báyìí lọ ẹ ṣeun adúpẹ́ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá máa pín ètò yìí ẹ má gbàgbé ẹ bá subscribe sórí Oduduwa TV radio àti Citizen AY àti Ọmọọba Lànà àti Lady B ẹ bá subscribe sórí àwọn tí mo dárúkọ yẹn ẹ ṣeun àtúmọ̀rí bá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ á rí ju báyìí lọ ṣeun ẹ bá subscribe sórí Oduduwa TV radio ẹ kẹ́lẹ̀ pé fáwọn èèyàn ẹ ṣeun àwa dúró lórí títọ́ ara tí à ń sọ náà nìyẹn ní rí ju báyìí lọ àtún padà wá láìpẹ́ ẹ ṣeun ó dìgbà kan náà ó dà o.